Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you're all fine and doing well. So in today's video I'm going to share the ideas of crochet work with you, that what is crochet work and how to do crochet work. Today we are diving into some inspiring crochet work ideas that you can try whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crochet enthusiast. Grab your yarn and hook and let's explore the endless possibilities of crochet. Let's start with crochet blanket. These make a perfect gift or cozy addition to your home. You can experiment with different stitch pattern from basic granny square to more intricate lace design. Choose soft chunky yarn for a warm winter throw or lighter cotton yarn for a summer blanket. These options are limitless. Next up, crochet bag. From trendy market bag to stylish clashes. Crochet bags are practical and fashionable. Use durable yarn for sturdy structures or try a softer fiber for a more relaxed boho look. You can even add wooden handles or embellishment for a unique finish. Another fantastic idea is crochet clothing. Whether it's a light summer top, a cozy cardigan, or a breezy dress, crochet fashion pieces are on trend. Mix and match colors or play around with different stitch combinations to create a personalized wardrobe. If you are into a home decor, why not try making crochet cushions? These add a handmade touch to any room. You can create simple design or intricate pattern like mandalas, plus crochet baskets are another great option for organizing and adding texture to your space. For those who love challenge and crochet work, then this video is for you. And if you want more videos about crochet work, then also leave the comment below. So I will upload more ideas about crochet work for you. Finally, don't forget about crochet accessories. You can make everything from scarves, hats and gloves to headband and earring. These quick and easy projects